अच्छा दीदी, आई एम स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं। Hi everyone, how are you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Merry
Good
Christmas.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How
Merry
are you, ma'am?
Christmas.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Merry
Same
Christmas.
wishes.
Thanks. So this is the last day of your training. If any confusion, any doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. Okay. So now I am sharing the screen with you. Everybody hasn't joined. Okay. So first I would like to, I will just discuss the test. First, let us do this. Nationalities we have done, but I want to just tell you. See, this nationality, Les États-Unis. You have to pronounce it as Les États. First, don't see the word, otherwise you will never be able to pronounce. So first, just a second, let me admit. Yeah. Let the people enter first. Yes. Les États-Unis. Can you pronounce les? Les. Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. Okay, Z sound has to come. Les États-Unis. In this particular word. Maheshwari, can you say Les États-Unis?
Les États-Unis.
Very good. Devi, can you say Les États-Unis?
Les États-Unis.
Yes, Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. This word has to be pronounced like this only, Les États-Unis. And Spain, yesterday I mistyped it. I wrote Les Spain. It is L apostrophe Espagne, Espagne. So you have to pronounce it as L'Espagne. L'Espagne. Primary coordinator, can you pronounce this? L'Espagne.
L'Espagne.
Very good. Lifeline, can you pronounce this?
L'Espagne.
L'Espagne. L'Espagne. L'Espagne. Okay.
L'Espagne.
Very good. And now I want to do. This topic is like birthday. How will you say my birthday party in French? Ma fête de l'anniversaire. Ma fête de l'anniversaire. Sita, can you say ma fête de l'anniversaire? Ma fête
Mafet
The Lani Verser.
de Lani said.
The Lani Verser.
De Lani Faset.
Yeah, the Lani Verser. Mafet the Lani Verser. Okay. Devi, can you pronounce this?
Mafat Lani Verse.
Mafet the Lani Verser. Okay.
Mafat the Lani Verse.
Lani Verser. My birthday party. How will you pronounce this? Le gato. Le gato. EAU is always pronounced as O. Generally, you people pronounce it as gatu. It has to be gato. O. O. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this? Le gato. Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce this? Anybody? Lata Ramesh, you have not submitted me the recordings also. So please submit that. Le gato. La bougie. La bougie. Devi, can you pronounce la bougie?
La Buji.
Yes, good. Le balloon. Le balloon. Kalairasi, can you pronounce this?
Le balloon. Le balloon.
Very good. Birthday cap. Anybody would like to try this?
Le potion.
Yes.
The anniversary.
Le bouchon d'anniversaire.
The anniversary.
D'anniversaire.
The anniversary.
Devi, would you like
Excuse me,
to try?
madam.
Yes.
Please admit Arun Pandian.
Yes, I'm just admitting. Everybody admitted? Yeah. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this? Yes. Has everybody entered?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this? Le bouchon d'anniversaire. Who will pronounce tap course? Can you pronounce this?
Le potion. The anniversary.
Yeah, it is le bouchon. N is not to be pronounced. Just a second. I've told you, the last word is not pronounced. The last letter is generally not pronounced in French. So you have to pronounce till bouchon. And it's a nasal sound. So it is le bouchon.
Le potion. The anniversary.
D'anniversaire.
The
D'anniversaire. D'anniversaire. Le bouchon d'anniversaire.
Le potion. The anniversary.
D'anniversaire. Le bouchon. Bouchon. D'anniversaire. Now try to pronounce this. Sita, can you pronounce this?
Lekhade.
Le Kado.
Kato.
Kado.
Kato.
Le Kado. Kalairasi, can you pronounce this?
Lekadu.
Yes, Le Kado. Le Bonbon. Le Bonbon. Maheshwari, can you pronounce this?
Le Bobo.
Very good. This, how will you pronounce? This is La Guirlan. La Guirlon. La Guirlon. E is not to be pronounced. La Guirlon.
La Kirlon.
Yes. Devishri, can you pronounce this?
La Girlon.
La Guirlon. Yes.
La Girlon.
Yes. Good. In this, you don't have to pronounce the S. You have to pronounce it as Le Jus. Le Jus.
Le Ju.
Le Jus. Jew, the way you pronounce it. Le Jus. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this?
Le Chou.
Yes, Le Jus. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
Le Ju.
This one. La Poupe.
Oh.
La.
La Coupe.
Yes, very good. La Poupe. Doll is called La Poupe in French. La glace. La glace. The way you say glass in English. The same way in this spelling you will say la glace only. La glace.
Glass.
Yes. How will you pronounce this? Le goûter. Le goûter.
Le Goûter. Le Goûter.
Yes, le goûter. La fleur. La fleur. Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
La Flor.
Very good. Devi, how will you pronounce this? It's called La Parae Photo. La Parae Photo.
La Parai Photo.
Again,
La Paralai Photo.
see, there are two A's. So you have to pronounce it as La Parae Photo. La Parae Photo.
La Paralai Photo.
La Parae. Maheshwari, can you pronounce this?
La Parae
Pute.
Photo.
Photo.
L is not to be pronounced. You have to pronounce still. Just a second. L is not to be pronounced. It is to be pronounced as La Parae Photo. This one. La Shen Ifi. Because H is silent. So you don't have to pronounce it. So it will be La Shen Ifi. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
La share efi.
Very good. Now I will discuss the problem areas with you, the pronunciation test. Okay. There's a lot of improvement in everybody's performance. I'm very happy. Only the Jaya Kumari, I've told you to again record and send me. And this one more person, Devadarshini. You have your voice is not clear. I think there's some recording problem. So you just check and record again.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes. And Lata Ramesh, I haven't received your pronunciations as yet. See, generally the mistake which you all are making is in this is some of you're pronouncing T also. But generally in French, the last letter is not to be pronounced. So don't pronounce T. So it has to be pronounced as sha. Sha. Okay? Understood? Sha. CH is pronounced as SH. So it will be sha. Sha.
Sha. Sha.
Sha.
Sha.
Yes, good.
Liu. Liu.
See, N is not to be pronounced. And
Liu.
yes, it has to be a nasal sound. So that's why Liu. Liu.
Liu. Liu.
Yes, good. This is to be, how will you pronounce this?
Xia.
Yes, N is not to be pronounced. It has to be a nasal sound. Nasal sound. So it has to be Shia. Shia. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
Xia. Xia.
Shia. Right. Shia.
Xia.
Here, everybody, generally you are making a mistake. You're saying tigre. It's not tigre. It is tigre. T is not there in French sound. So it is tigre. Tigre. And some of you, I heard that I saying tigru. It's not tigru, it's just tigre. Tigre. Tab codes, can you pronounce this? Tigre. Yes, now, just a second. Yeah, here I think most of you have made a mistake in pronouncing this word. See, éléphant, éléphant, fond, éléphant. Because AN is pronounced as on, like the way you pronounce dimanche, dimanche. So éléphant, fond. And here alphabet A, like the way you will pronounce it, because there is an accent. So that's why ele and T is not to be pronounced. Here it has to be a nasal sound. In éléphant. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce éléphant?
Elephant.
Yeah, N sound is not to be there. N sound should also not come. Éléphant. There should be a nasal sound. Éléphant.
Elephant.
N sound should not be there. It should be éléphant. Fond. Fond.
Elephant.
Yes. Devi, can you pronounce éléphant?
Elephant.
Fond.
Phone.
Phone. N is not to be pronounced nasal sound. They should be elephone.
Elephant.
Phone. Now this one. Here, some of you are pronouncing it right. Some of you are pronouncing it as Shamu. It is not Shamu. It is Shamu.
Shamu.
Shamu. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
Shamu.
Very good. How will you, this generally all of you pronounced it right? Ibu. Yeah, here in this word, see how will you, OI, sound of OI should be mueno. Mueno. Some of you are, no, mueno. Like the way you say swear in French, in English. Swear. The same way mue. Mue. Mueno. Mueno. Maheshwari, can you
Mueno.
say mueno?
Mueno.
Yes, mueno. Again, now we will pronounce Kalairasi. Can you pronounce mueno?
Mueno.
Very good.
Mueno.
Yeah, I'm very happy with your performance also. You performed very well in the pronunciation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mueno. Now,
Peroque.
yes, very good.
Peroque.
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 Peroque. Generally. Here somebody, it is autruche. Autruche.
Autruche.
Autruche. Canard, most of you were pronouncing it right. Canard. Here, I don't know what was the confusion. Most of you were pronouncing it as kari. It is not kari. It is kari.
Kari.
Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
Kari. Kari.
Yes, very good. Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
Kari.
Yes, kari. Yeah, here there were many mistakes. First of all, it is losange. Since there is a single S, it has to be pronounced as Z. Okay? And AN is to be pronounced as on. You people were pronouncing it as losange. Losange. It is not losange, it is losange. Losange. AN is to be pronounced as on. It will be losange. Lifeline, can you pronounce this?
Losange.
Losange. The sound. Z.
Losange.
Losange. Parallelogram, most of you pronounced it right. Yeah, here.
La maison.
Yes, la maison. Most of you were pronouncing it as la maison. N is not to be pronounced and O nasal sound. So it is la maison. Okay. This same le salu. Yes. Here also N is not to be pronounced. O and the nasal sound. Nasal sound. Le salu. Okay. Now, how will you pronounce this?
La Tara. La Tera.
Yes. Yes, this is fine. Good. Here, this most of you made mistakes in this one.
Le
What?
plafond.
Yes, le plafond. D is not to be
Okay.
pronounced.
Pronounced. Yeah.
Yes. And le plafond. Any confusion in this, anybody? Let me see.
No,
Le
ma'am.
plafond.
Le
And
plafond.
this
Le
one.
plancher. Le plancher.
See, A-N is to be pronounced as on. So that's why it will be le plancher.
Plancher. Le plancher.
Yes,
Le plancher.
plancher. Devishri, can you pronounce this?
Le plancher.
Le plancher. This is le. Generally, all of you were
Le.
pronouncing it as le, la. I was getting different words people were pronouncing. L is pronounced as le. Yes, le plancher. Plancher.
Le
Here,
mule. Le mule.
yes, very good. Le mule.
Le mule. Le mule.
Le,
Le bird.
yes, le bird. Le bird.
Le bird.
Now this one.
Yow. Le yow.
Le yaourt. This has to be pronounced. T has to be pronounced in this. So it is yaourt. Le yaourt. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this?
Layout.
Le yaourt. Try focus on your le. It has to be le yaourt.
Layout.
Yes. Now try to pronounce this word. Le
poisson. Le poisson.
Le poisson.
Poisson.
Poisson. Like the way you say swear. Swear. The same way you say pouet.
Le poisson.
Le
poisson.
poisson. Because there's a double S. There's a double S, so sir sound will come. It will be poisson.
Okay.
Devi, can you pronounce le poisson?
Le poisson.
Le poisson. Focus on your oué. It has to be pouet. Poisson.
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 Lasso.
Yeah, this one is fine. Les fruits. This all of you were able to pronounce. Yeah, this one.
Les légumes.
No, anybody can correct this. It has to be legume. Because whenever the accent is this side, it has to be A. Legume.
Légumes.
Yes.
Les légumes.
Very good. Legume.
Les légumes.
Legume, not legume. It has to be legume.
Légume.
A, alphabet A. Legume.
Okay.
Now this one, same thing in this also.
Le cinéma.
Yes, le cinema.
Le cinéma.
Cinema. Because I will be pronounced as E.
E.
So le alphabet E. So it will be le cinema.
Le cinéma. Yes. Le cinéma.
Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
Le cinema.
Yes, le cinema. Very good. Yeah, now how will we pronounce this?
La Charrette.
Yes, very good. La Charrette. CH, generally some of you were pronouncing it as Charrette. The CH is SH. So it will be Sha.
Sha.
SH. So it will be Sharet. La Sharet.
Komat Tapel.
Yeah, so I was getting varied answers in this. It is it is Komotyutapel.
Komat Tapel.
Like this you learn. See, Komotyutapel. Komotyutapel. This way if you will learn, you will never forget. Komotyutapel. 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 Komotyutapel.
Komat Tapel.
Yes. Arun Pandian, can you say Komotyutapel? Komotyutapel. Yes. Tab codes, can you say Komotyutapel?
Komat Tapel.
Very good. Bhuvneshwari,
Komatyutapel.
Komotyutapel. En is pronounced as on. So it will be Komotyutapel. Now the
Lenombre.
see in the numbers 50 you people were pronouncing it as song. What were you pronouncing it as? You will not pronouncing it as Sankond. It has to be Sank. In is pronounced as Sang. So it is Sankond. You were pronouncing it as Sankant. It is Sankond. Okay? Sankond. Sankond.
Sankon.
Kond.
Sankon.
Sankond.
Sankon.
Okay, one person. Maheshwari, can you pronounce Sankond?
Sankon.
Yes, Sankond. Till T you have to pronounce. E is not to be pronounced. And 51, who will pronounce? Devishri, can you pronounce 51?
Sankotyam.
Again?
Sankotyam.
Yes, it's right. Sankonteya. Generally, I was getting varied pronunciation in this also. And 52, most of you were pronouncing it as Sankon Do. It is not do, it is the. The. T-H-E. Yes. Yes. Sankon the. Sankon Tua, Sankon Katra. This one was fine. And 60. Yes. Sankont Set. 57 is Sankont Set. And 58 is Sankont Veet. Veet. Most of you were giving different answers. And 60. Soissons, like the way I told you. Soissons. So most of you were saying it as Soissons. It is not Soissons, it is Soissons. Soissons. Yes. Tab codes, can you pronounce Soissons?
Prasant.
Yes. 61. 61 is Soissons. 62 is Soissons de, not do. Soissons de. Okay. and then you will do till Naf. Okay, now countings 80. Can anybody pronounce 80 for me?
Katruva.
Katra va. Till IN. You have to pronounce till IN. GTS is not to be pronounced. So VIN. Katra va. Okay. 90 and 90 is Katravadis. Katravadi. Now, to get a clear pronunciation for the numbers, basically you should know 1 to 20 numbers nicely. Then you will be able to do all these numbers properly. See, a, the, tua, katra. Some of you say katru, which is wrong. It is katra. Sank, cease. SIX is pronounced as cease, not cease. It is cease. 7 is pronounced as set. 8 is weak. Now, these. DIX is these and it's not these. And 11. ONZE. So owns. Not owns. It's owns. 12 is do's. 13 is trays. 14 is kators. 15 is cans. 16 is says. 17 is deset. DIX is deset. 18 is desweet. 19 is enough. 20, you know, all know it is va. 30 is, how will you pronounce 30?
Throne.
Yes. Throne. And 40, who will pronounce it for me? Bhuvneshwari?
Karod.
Yes, Karon. Good. Now we will do just a second. Sound recognition which we were doing. See, IN is pronounced as I told you, ENO. This we did, EAUO. ON also we did, ANAU. Yeah, this is pronounced as A. Like you already know, we have done so many words. And this one, how will you pronounce this word? MERE and this. Left hand, if there's an accent this side, you have to pronounce it as mare. Okay, not mare. It is mare. Anybody can pronounce this? Mare, like it was la mare. Anybody remembers this? Mother, for mother we used to say la mare. Sita, can you pronounce this?
La mare.
Mare. Like the way you say ferry. So the same way you say la mare. Okay, la mare. So all of you, I would like to share the workspace also with you so that all the things are assembled in one folder, all the pronunciations and the slides. So you share your email addresses with me. Okay.